This is Arrecife bus stop. This is where you get the 22 back to the airport. If you're ever here, that's it there, just about to leave. The bus I got off.
Puede que hay un baño.
So from the bus stop, we go left, and it's another maybe 10 minutes walk. As you can see, we're heading over there. We'll take you into the centre of Arrecife. There she's walking about with no shoes on. Some mad reason. Across the road, that's us. It's not so windy. Last time I was here, the wind ruined it. It would have been absolutely gorgeous, but it's very windy in Lanzarote. Obviously it brings the temperature right down. But today, you see, very calm. It's 21 degrees. It's lovely. Look. Golden sandy beaches and the sea. Let's get walking. Wow, so let's see, look. We've got wireless charging ports for your phones here. Quick charge. It's mad. You don't get that in Glasgow. Somebody would steal it. Pretty good, eh? Wireless chargers on the main road. They're dotted all along. There's quite a few in this main strip. Okay. We can't have things like that in Scotland or the UK. The places are shambles. Right, so 10, not quite 10 minutes, but up there on the left, coming up to your first places, there's bars and sell food. There's a Manhattan bar, we've got food, TVs, food sports, big menu, places either side of it selling food, drink, whatever you want. And then further up, you just keep walking, another 10 minutes you'll hit the city centre, main street, all the shops. Funny thing I did notice was, it's the only place I've been to where there isn't a McDonald's. If you can correct me then please do. I've never seen a McDonald's. All the places I've been to, it's the first one where there wasn't a McDonald's. We passed the KFC on the bus. There was a Burger King further up at the quay, at the marina, the Burger King. So this is the first places you come to. You can get some food and drinks, the Manhattan bar in the middle there. You can see it. Cocktails, food. There we go. I'll sit here for the sunset. Not sure. If you head towards that main hotel there with the big tower and go left, you'll hit the city centre where all the shops are. Can't miss it.